Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is September the 17th. My name is Henry, and for today we're going to be taking a look at the chart of the Euro 60 minutes time frame. And as always, we're going to be looking for the structure, explaining the target, right? And explain why we are presenting the count this way, okay? Because there's always alternates, but why are we counting it this way? And we're going to explain the rationale behind it, okay? So first of all, let's take a look what we got here. We have the euro dollars rallying in an impulsive structure. We got this 1 and 2, and then this is another 1 and 2 in blue, but this is in a lower degree. So this is what we call a nest when you have a 5 ways up impulse, and then it has a sequence of 1 2 1 2, but as you know, the other 1 2 is in a lower degree than the previous 1 2. In this case, 1 2 in black and then another 1 2 in blue. Right side is up in green, which means that this is bullish and we are looking for further upside, okay? Now let me just zoom out really quickly to give you an idea where we are. Here is the daily time frame. We're going to be focusing on this 1 2 in black and 1 2 in blue here. So here's the 1 2 in black in the daily time frame, okay, and the 1 2 in blue is right here on the daily time frame, right? So first of all, you notice that we managed to break above that previous peak that we got on July the 1st. So which actually means that this confirms the bullish outlook because it manages to break above the previous peak, right? So it had this 3 ways pullback, which is corrective, right? Very clear, 3 ways, and then bouncing again, and then the rally is finally breaking above the peak. So then that means we are looking to extend to the upside. Now the nest, guys, so you can see right here, we might have even another nest here. You can see this up down here. This could be your other nest of 1 and 2 in a higher degree again. So in a higher degree than the black one here. So we got 1 2 1 2 and possibly another 1 2, right? So you have a triple nest, right? Three nests here, 1 2 1 2 1 2. So but okay, let's not think about this first, okay? So what do we have here, right? So assuming that this is your main 1 2, right? Assuming this is your main 1 2, so let's okay, let's put it back again here. So you get a sequence of high, right? So you have 1 2 and then you break the previous one. So then in terms of the target here, simply measure the extension, and then you have the minimum, which is 119. Now 119 is the minimum target, but potentially can go to 1.618. As you know, it is a wave 3, right? And then plus, if this is really nesting, then you will have a lot more sequence of 3 4 3 4 3 4 before you finish this entire rally, right? So you have like a 3 4 in blue, 3 4 in black, and then 3 4 in red, and then 5 in red, right? So like this, right? 3 4 in blue. So you have a few sequence of 3 and 4 to finish this entire structure, right? So you have 5 ways up in blue, ending 3 in black. So let me show you in the general structure of impulse for those who are new. This is a nest, right? As you know, within an impulsive structure 5 waves, the subdivision of the 1 and the 3 and the 5 is in itself another 5 waves, but in a lesser degree, in a lower degree, right? This is what we call fractal, that the wave always is subdivided into smaller waves, right? And this 1 in black, 3 in black over here further subdivides into another 5 ways. So here, if you look at our example, this is a nest, an impulse with the extension within 3, right? So you got 1 2 3 4, and then this is 4. Let me complete the count here. and that will be ending 3 here, right? So if you look at this is a third wave extension where wave 3 extended in a 5 waves, right? And also this 3 in black itself also extends into another 5 waves, so you have multiple 1 to 1 to like a 5 waves up here. Okay, so this is a nest, and like I mentioned, in terms of target higher, well, the minimum is 119.10, but I think that's just the minimum, which is the 100% extension of the 1 2 in red here, and potentially can continue to extend to the upside. Okay, so for now that's what we are looking. So in other words, we are not done yet on the upside, and looking for another leg up in 3711. So alternate, well, alternate can be many. Well, alternate mainly concerns about the short term. So for example, let's say if we pull back here, well, there is the count wrong? Not really. I mean, I can put 3 here if I need to, and then this is a 4, right? So, or we can do this and then rally again one more leg before ending 3 in red. So the shorter time frame, guys, you know, it's not like swing by swing, set in stone, right? The idea here though is it is bullish against 116. That's the main idea and the main takeaway. And as long as we are above 116, any kind of pullback from the peak will continue to find support in 3 swing, because if the trend is bullish, pullback has to be corrective, and corrective structure is always going to be in 3 swing or in 7 swing. Okay, so that's what we are looking at right now in the Euro USD. And as always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, only 99 cents for new members, and you can use the link in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.